So here we are, two hobos under the bridge. Bourne Outside, here's Tim.
Hello folks.
Yeah,
Hope you're well.
And we're just doing what wild campers do. Sit under bridges, cooking steak, doing a bit of a wild camp under some mysterious bridge. So the classic sandwich is ready, I think. Bourne Outside. Look at that.
That's a cracker, isn't it?
It's quite decadent, the steak sandwich, isn't it? But that's what we're like, isn't it?
Oh yes.
Bit of salad. And the mushrooms, of course.
Thank you.
This is what you're missing, Lee. Next time.
Definitely next time. Look at that.
Any Tabasco sauce?
Yeah, go on, just a little splash, don't, just you can save yourself some. Day tripper.
Look at that.
Glorious meal.
Look at that. This is another steak sandwich. Steak sandwich too. So it's time to get ready for the fire. We've got the fire pit, just need a bit of firewood. It's a good job I'm here with a real bushcrafter. Getting the wood together, now we're going to get a few rocks and then throw them on like that and film it. That's it. Look at this Bourne Outside's fire kit here. You ready? Because we're going to learn something here.
I'll tell you what.
It's one of the key skills, isn't it? Lighting a fire. Look at that. Now that is something that's really
Shout
bushcraft.
out to Jim Bob Outdoors.
Oh, is it Jim Bob Outdoors?
Jim Bob made it.
Oh wow, look at that. I think you showed it before, didn't you?
Yeah.
I think I remember that.
He can now see what's in the fire kit. Bit of birch bark.
Look at this.
King Alfred's cake.
Brilliant. And what does that
And
do?
they're the cheating ones.
Oh, that's the cheating.
What you've
That's
got?
what I've got
Yeah.
in my bag, yeah. You've got the steel, you've got
Fire
everything.
steel. Bit of fat wood left over. I've cut it down actually so it
Brilliant.
doesn't take over. That's just a little sharpener for the knife.
Brilliant.
And a magnifying glass.
Brilliant. Look at that. So you don't go anywhere without it now.
No.
Yeah, so the key is to start with the driest stuff you can find.
It's little tiny stuff.
You got a few rocks to shelter it with.
Yeah. Get a bit of birch bark in here. This is more of the paper.
Yeah. It's all in the preparation, isn't it?
Yeah. No fat wood in there, mind.
I normally just tip a load of methylated spirits all over.
Exactly that. Or 4-star.
Yeah.
Let's give it a go, shall we?
Yeah, here we go.
She's there.
So that's why you need a professional bushcrafter. That was literally the first take. I haven't edited 100 times out, like on my videos.
No need for extra birch.
Can't beat the smell of a fire, can you?
That's lovely. Absolutely
It's like
gorgeous.
it's like it's one of the most basic things, I suppose, we ever do, isn't it?
Yeah.
Light a fire.
Yeah.
So did you practice all this on the permission? Is that how you developed the skill?
Yeah, it's just doing it down there.
And just repetition, really.
Yeah, do you know what, Richard? I was watching videos for about 2 years before I even did anything.
Really?
Yeah.
Well,
I just didn't have the
what?
we were talking about earlier.
Well,
didn't
like,
have the guts to do it really.
like YouTube and stuff.
Yeah, and I'm also I want all the gear, and you don't have to have all the gear.
What, you bought all the gear first?
Yeah, I've got a hell of a lot of gear
And then what was it that made you do your first wild camp then? You just thought, I've got to do something with it?
Yeah, I just thought it was time.
Yeah.
And it was either now or never.
And how long ago was that?
I think that was at least 2 or 3 months before I did a video.
Okay.
So, and I think the first video was September last year.
Okay, so it's quite recent then?
Yeah.
And it was by watching them thinking, well, can I actually go out and camp on my own?
Yeah.
Or am I a wimp?
That's the thing as well,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah.
Will you last the night when it's dark?
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah. Some strange noises,
Yeah.
especially with animals that you don't know.
Yeah, and then when you're on your own, it's like you're on your head, isn't it?
You can't go and switch the light on.
Yeah, like when I was in the Thunder hammock camp,
Yeah.
I had to make myself out of the woods about 1 in the morning, out of the lightning.
Yeah.
Very, very frightening.
Very.
And hide under the bridge, because I do like hiding under bridges.
Yes.
As you can tell.
Got to be done.
And I couldn't find my way out the woods. No, I found my way out, but then I couldn't find my way back. It took me like half an hour to get back, because I was so stealthy, I couldn't find where I was. But each time you're stronger, aren't you?
Yeah.
Like on this last camp, 42 miles Thames Path, I'm not nervous really about wild camping. I know I'll find somewhere.
Yeah.
Anywhere pretty much, and I'm just not fazed by it. I even sleep now, whereas on the first few, in fact, I didn't sleep probably for the first 10 or more.
Did you not?
Yeah.
First 10 camps?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Mainly because I was just enjoying it so much.
Yeah.
And my mind was just racing about all the stuff. Oh, there you go. Is that a Laplander, what's it called, Laplander saw?
Left-handed.
Left-handed.
This is the Silky.
Oh.
Pocket boy. There she goes. That's another one. Oh, let's get that away.
So we're losing the daylight now. Having a lovely evening out here. So still. It's just that time of night where the light's going, getting ready for your wild camp.
What's it going to do?
We're making Horlicks or Ovaltine. It's that time of the night. Hot drinks in store. Got this very bushcrafty, what do you call it, this one?
What, that cup?
Yeah.
It's just a stainless steel TBS cup, that one. From the Bushcraft store.
Brilliant. So it's time for bed in the simple bivvy. I'll show you in the morning. It's a bit dark now, we set up late. It's been a really good night here with Tim, Bourne Outside, and going to settle down now under the bridge, very close to the bridge. Brilliant location, lovely view, lovely food, and it's going to be a lovely night. I'll see you in the morning. So what a beautiful morning here. Absolutely fantastic. And this is why we do it, really. You get the sunrise like this, totally clear sky, look at the clouds, tides in, absolutely beautiful. Never disappoints, waking up outdoors. So I slept, greeted by a snail, but it was on the outside of the bivvy, not on the inside, thankfully. It's going to be time for a bit of coffee, I think. It's good, this primer thing, isn't it?
Yeah, I like
I think, you know, it's easier than messing about.
Yeah. I've got an Alp kit one, but I like the Primus better because it gives a bigger spread.
Yeah.
Especially if you're doing it on the pan.
It's quite light to carry, isn't it?
Yeah.
So time to pack up, I think. It's been a really good camp. Oh, here comes the sun. I think we're gonna leave the camp here. It's been a good one. A really special place here. Really enjoyed this. I want to thank Tim from Bourne Outside, Mr. Bourne Outside.
Good morning,
It's
folks.
been really fun, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's been a good one. I've really enjoyed this one.
Yeah,
Really enjoyed it, Richard.
I'm so happy that I had real bushcraft finally on a video.
Come to the permission.
And didn't have to do too much. You know?
You did the cooking.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
did the
yeah. We
cooking.
did. Yeah, we shared things. Yeah, so we had some nice food, but it's been a lot of fun. Please check out Tim's channel, Bourne Outside. It's great. Lots of bushcraft. He's got a permission, and he has a lot of fun and games with someone you might already know, Mr. Burton Outdoors. So you might want to check out that as well. Thanks for watching this one, and see you next time.
On the next one.
Yeah.
Cheers, Richard. Stealthy as.
Oh, okay.